Good morning, students. 10th class students, in your textbook, after second unit, this textual grammar, uses of present perfect and simple past is introduced in page number 65. You look at the textbooks while watching video, then you get quick understanding. Here, I have taken two sentences from the textbook, that is, from Dear Departed. From Dear Departed lesson, I have taken two sentences. They have stolen your clock and bureau. They have stolen your clock and bureau. They sneaked, other sentence. They sneaked into your room like thieves they sneaked into your room like thieves in the night and stole them after you were dead. These are two separate sentences, students. First sentence is they have stolen your clock and bureau. They have stolen your clock and bureau. The second sentence is they sneaked into your room like thieves in the night and stole them after you were dead. They sneaked into your room like thieves in the night and stole them after you were dead. These two sentences are separate sentences. First, notice the first one. Students, notice the first sentence. They have stolen your clock and bureau. That is present perfect tense. That sentence is in present perfect tense. Here they sneaked, B2 form. Your room, they sneaked into your room like thieves in the night and stole them after you were dead. It is in simple past tense. Compare these two sentences, students. They have stolen your clock and bureau. That is in present perfect tense, because in that sentence time and place is not specified. Time and place of action is not mentioned or not specified. Time of action is not specified. In the second sentence, both time and place of action is specified. See, they sneaked into your room and like thieves in the night. Time of action is specified. Place of action is specified. So, it is in simple past tense. The uses of simple past tense I want to explain in this class, because you have to notice the differences between both present perfect and simple past. Both actions are completed in the past, but where do we use simple present, where do we use simple past? You should learn, students, carefully. When the time, you should use present perfect. When the time or place of action is not specified, we should use present perfect. When the time is mentioned or place is mentioned, we have to use simple past tense. Uses of simple past you learn in this class. Simple past. Simple past actions, to refer to past actions, simple past actions are referred to past events, past actions. For example, Gopi passed his examination in 2015. Gopi passed his examination in 2015. Here, time of action is mentioned. So, we write in simple past. Gopi passed his examination in 2015. They visited Delhi last month. They visited Delhi last month. Another example. Then the uses of simple past tense. When the time is mentioned, we have to use simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to refer to past actions. Raju met his friend last week. Raju met his friend last week. Next, simple past tense is also used to refer to present time. Present time. This is a special use of simple past. The verbs like want, wonder, hope, and think. So simple past is also refer to present time with the verbs like want, wonder, hope, and think. How to use? See here, I wanted to discuss my proposal with you, sir. I wanted to discuss my proposal with you, sir. I wondered if I could discuss my proposal with you, madam. I wondered if I could discuss my proposal with you, madam. I thought of discussing my proposal with you, sir. I thought of discussing my proposal with you, sir. To make utterances more polite and tactful, we use simple past tense with the present time. Simple past tense. The present time, the verbs like want, wonder, hope, and think. To make utterances more tactful, we use these verbs past form in the present actions also. I wanted to discuss my proposal with you, sir. I wonder if I could discuss my proposal with you, sir or madam. I thought of discussing my proposal with you, sir. I hoped to discuss my proposal with you. I hope to discuss my proposal with you. These four verbs can be used in V2 form in the present time actions also. That is the special usage of simple past tense with the verbs like want, wonder, hope, and think. So other uses in conditional sentences we use if I were a bird. If I were a bird, I would fly. If I were a bird, I would fly. Simple past tense. In conditional sentences we use. If I were a prime minister, I would provide free education at all levels. If I were a prime minister, I would provide free education at all levels. If I went to Guntur, I would bring a book for you. In that way, conditional sentences we use simple past. Another expression, it's time, after, it's time, it's high time, it's quiet time. We have to use it's high time, it's quiet time. We have to use simple past tense. It's time you took a decision. You took a decision about your life. You took a decision about your life. It's right time you went to bed. It's high time you studied well. It's right time you took decision about your life. After this expression we have to use V2 form. Next, in indirect speech, in reported speech, that is reported speech. Another use of simple past in reported speech, we use simple past tense. I asked you where your house was. I asked you what the time was. I asked you where your house was. I asked you what the time was. So in reported speech we use, after its time expressions we use simple past tense. After the some verbs like want, wonder, hope, think, we use past tense. Those verbs we use in past tense, and to specify a specific time and action of place is mentioned, we use simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to indicate past actions. When the time is mentioned, place of time is mentioned, we use simple past tense. And some verbs like want, wonder, hope, and think, we use simple past tense. In conditional sentences, we use simple past tense. And the second kind of conditional sentence, that is unfulfilled conditional sentence. Sorry, for improbable conditional sentence or imaginary sentence, we use V2 form. And it's quiet time, it's right time, after its time expressions, we use V2 form. And in reported speech, we use simple past tense. These are the uses of simple past tense, students. In the next class, I explain you the uses of present perfect tense. So look at the textbook and read the uses of simple past and present perfect, students. Thank you.